Wondering how to create a Gmail account without a phone number? You've come to the right place. With our straightforward guide, you'll be able to enjoy the numerous benefits offered by Gmail without completely sacrificing your privacy. Now, the question is, does Gmail require a phone number? When you're looking to create a new Gmail account, you might notice Google often asks for a phone number. Why? There are three main reasons. 1. Anti-spam protection. 2. Identity verification. 3. Extra authentication factor. Creating a Gmail account without a phone number on your mobile device is possible, and the process is surprisingly straightforward. Let's begin with creating Gmail on Android. 1. Launch the Settings app. 2. Navigate to the Passwords and Accounts section. The Settings category might be called slightly differently depending on which version of the Android operating system you have. 3. Select Google. 4. Tap the Manage Your Google Account button. 5. Choose the Add Another Account option. 6. Tap the Create Account link in the bottom left corner, just like you would if you wanted to add another email address to Gmail normally. 7. Then choose For My Personal Use option. 8. Enter your name, date of birth, gender, and tap Next. 9. Enter the desired email address and create a strong password and tap Next. 10. Add a recovery email address and tap Next. 11. Tap Skip when asked to enter your phone number. 12. Review your account information and confirm your decision to open a Gmail account without a phone number. Let's see how you can create Gmail on iOS. 1. Launch the Settings app. 2. Navigate to the Mail section. 3. Tap the Accounts button. 4. Select the Add Account option and choose Google. 5. Tap the Create Account link in the bottom left corner. 6. Enter your first and last name, date of birth, gender, the desired email address, and a strong password. 7. Add a recovery email address and tap Next. 8. Tap Skip when asked to enter your mobile contact. 9. Review your account information and confirm your decision to create a Google account without a phone number. Finally, let's create Gmail on a desktop. 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. We recommend you use incognito mode if you're currently signed in to a different Gmail address. 2. Click the Create Account in the bottom left corner. 3. Fill in your first and last name, date of birth, gender, the desired email address, and create a strong password. 4. Add a recovery email address. 5. Select Skip when asked to enter your mobile number. 6. Review your account information and confirm your decision to sign up for Gmail without a phone number. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification for more videos.